How to only me or how to hide featured photos on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can hide your featured photos on Facebook. So let me show you what the issue is. I open up Facebook, I come to my profile page, you'll see my normal profile, but the downside of it's that whenever someone else has visited my profile, the featured section is basically public, and that's because this is a featured section and it cannot be made private, and it's called featured for a reason. But instead I can show you a couple of working solutions that is hopefully going to help you get your job done. Now, one thing that you can do is you can simply change the cover photo of this featured photo so that when someone actually views your profile, they're not going to see the main photos. You can just keep some type of fake cartoonish or some generic images in the cover photo, and then people will not most likely see the pictures directly. To do this, tap on a specific featured collection, then just tap the three dots icon here, select edit featured collection. As you do that, you can simply choose a new cover photo, which could be a generic image as you wish. However, there is also second solution, and that will completely hide your featured photos. Now, to do this, there is a feature called professional mode, and to do this, first of all, come to your profile page, tap the three dots icon over here. Once you tap the three dots icon, here at the bottom you'll find a section called turn on professional mode. You want to make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on the turn on professional mode option, just tap on the blue button that says turn it on, and once you turn it on, professional mode is going to be turned on. Now don't worry, this is going to change nothing about the audience or anything else. You just want to come back to your profile page. This time the magic is that if you refresh your page, you have the name, you have your friends, followers, your details, and the magic here is that you will no longer find a featured section. But don't worry, because your featured collection has not been deleted. Whenever you turn off professional mode, your featured collection is going to be added back into your profile. As long as professional mode is turned on, no one else including you is going to be able to view your featured collection. But this is the only working solution that I have found so far that is going to help you hide your featured photos. And that is it for today's video, but do not click away just yet, because you watching till the end of this video definitely means that I have succeeded in providing some type of value to you. If this video helped you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.